All right, here we are today at our new listing in Neptune Beach, 527 Florida Boulevard, right across the street from Jarboe Park. You're 4 blocks to the beach. Jarboe has pickleball, basketball, playgrounds for the kids, got a community garden, all that. This home's a beautiful, updated home built in 2005. You have updated kitchens, baths. The back outdoor space is amazing. Got a pool. You've got custom fire pit, outdoor grill, Hestan outdoor grill, 250-gallon gas tank that's buried, so you have plenty of gas to furnish all that stuff. Hardy board siding. Inside you have 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a loft bonus room. Downstairs, full bath is also a pool bath and big laundry room, huge tall ceilings. This one's a must-see. You got to come check this out. Come on.